Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore webinar follow-up using Demio automated email, beginner guides. To begin, log into your Demio account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your webinars. Locate the webinar for which you want to set up automated follow-up emails. Click on the webinar title to access its settings. Scroll down to the follow-up section within the webinar settings. Here, you will find options for follow-up emails. Select the Automated Emails tab. Click on the Add Follow-up Email button. In the email subject line, enter a clear and engaging subject. Now, craft the body of your email. Personalize the content to resonate with your audience. Include valuable resources or recap information from the webinar. Make sure to add a clear call to action. Choose the timing for when this email will be sent. You can set it to be sent immediately after the webinar, or at a later date. Once all details are filled out, preview your email to ensure it looks right. Look out for any formatting issues or missing information. After confirming, click the Save button to finalize your follow-up email. You can repeat this process to add additional follow-up emails if needed. Once you're satisfied with your setup, navigate back to the dashboard. Your automated follow-up emails are now ready to engage your attendees. Be sure to monitor the performance of your emails after they are sent. Adjust your content and timing as necessary based on engagement metrics. This will help you optimize future follow-up strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.